Does buying a home in Washington feel like trying to grab the last cookie in the jar, gone before you blink? Stick with me. I've got 3 easy ways to make a home more affordable, and you'll be surprised how doable it can be. Hey everyone, I'm Donia Karimi, a real estate agent here in Washington State and love a good laugh. But I'm serious about helping you find a home you can afford. Let's break down these 3 hacks so you can see how they work. First, down payment assistance. Washington has a state and local programs that can give you thousands of dollars toward your down payment and sometimes closing costs. Think of it as a financial jumpstart. I partner closely with a trusted mortgage officer who helped my clients figure out which programs they qualify for and guide them through the application. That way, you're not overwhelmed and we can focus on finding the right home. Second, emerging neighborhoods. You don't have to compete in the most expensive areas like Seattle cores. There are up-and-coming communities just outside the city where homes are more affordable and they still have great schools, parks, and coffee shops. I'll show you how to search these areas so you can see the potential before everyone else catches on. Now, here is something most people forget. You can negotiate. Instead of just pushing for a lower price, talk to the seller about covering part of your closing costs or even buying down your mortgage rate. Those concessions can save you money upfront and over time. And don't settle for the first mortgage offer. Shop around for a better rate or ask lenders about rate buy-down. Even a tiny percentage difference can save you thousands over the life of your loan. I'll walk you through comparing offers so you know you're getting the best deals. I help clients understand these negotiations so they feel confident going in.